Hi beautiful people! Welcome back to my vlog! Kimi! So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng banana cake kasi merong mga orders at last! Kimi! At last na nga, merong nang nag-order sa atin. God is so good! And by the way, these are the ingredients, guys. Kung ano-ano na mga pinagsasabi ko, hindi ko na nabanggit tuloy yung mga ingredients. Sorry guys. Kiwi. So yeah, we need to do like business for us to be successful in life kasi kung may trabaho lang tayo, parang hindi masusolusyonan yung mga problema natin. Kaya kailangan we do some other businesses like this one para magkakita tayo at magkapera. Di ba guys? Charot! So yeah guys, we used air fryer para mas madali yung pagluto natin ng ating banana cake in a span of 30 minutes, and so eto na yung outcome ng ating banana cake. It's so really delicious and the texture and the look of the banana cake is really good actually. Kaya nga bet na bet ng ating mga customers. Thank you guys! At meron din tayong maha blanca na ginawa ng aking kapatid. This will be available very soon, kaya wait lang kayo guys. Kaya ayun na nga, ready na ako to deliver the orders. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys. In life, we need to do some extra jobs and some extra part-time jobs for us to make money. Para na din may pambayad tayo ng mga bills at para na din may pambayad tayo sa mga boys. Kiwi! No, we are not prioritizing boys at the moment. Hindi sila nasa top list natin sa ngayon. Kaya set aside muna natin and we should focus on our business goal. Wow, business-minded? Kiwi! So heto na nga yung mga nag-order. They were satisfied in our banana cake. At yung iba kailangan nating pasukin yung bahay para i-force na mag-order. Huy! Ba't naman ganon? The joke lang. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, kakatapos lang yan maligo. Sorry Mama Ritz. So ayun na nga, for our next destination, kailangan nating mang-gate crash para lang mag-deliver ng orders. Ano daw? Kimi? Honestly speaking, I love the energy of those people who were ordering us. The vibrancy on their actual faces are immaculate. Huy, ang OA! So, ayun na nga, meron naman tayong benta and dito makikita natin na sinaslice ng ating customer ang ating banana cake. At hindi ko na yan na-i-video na they were satisfied on our product. Kaya nag-thumbs up na lang kami kasi job well done!